Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine and today we're doing the next prompt for Junk Journal July 2025, which is cursive, and we're so close to the end now I can't believe it. But yeah, so today is cursive and it has been a very long time since I even attempted to write in cursive, so I'm not going to really try it. What I'm thinking of doing is doing a collage with some nice script papers that I have in my stash. I think it would look pretty to get some nice script, and what I'm thinking of doing is creating a collage that kind of fades into this color that I put down yesterday when I was doing what was yesterday, peak. So I'm just going to try and kind of blend it in, and I'm thinking then I will try to write my name in cursive. I'm thinking I'll have the best look with my names, the thing I'm most used to writing, and writing quick and kind of partially cursive like. So that is what we're going to start with, and we will see how it goes. Well, that didn't do much, but those two turned out pretty nice. That did not really pick up. So this is what I've done for cursive. I'm really happy that I managed to actually write my name in cursive. It's been so long since I did that, and I actually had to pause a minute to remember how to do a zero, or not a zero, an O. And then the W. Yeah, I enjoyed doing that. It was fun. I liked creating the collage and painting over it like this to have this little fade going into yesterday's spread. So that is it for today's spread. It was very enjoyable. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next one.